Hello and welcome to module CCS02. This is the first of a four-part series for an introduction to contamination control. In this session, we will closely examine the best practices for contamination control as outlined in PDATR 90. The objectives of this first part of the series will cover identifying sources of contamination, looking at the impact of the quality culture has on contamination control. We will look at a holistic approach to contamination control, and then we will discuss how the handling of materials can contribute to contamination control. Contamination in pharmaceutical manufacturing occurs when unwanted chemical or microbiological impurities or foreign matter enter a product during production, sampling, packaging, storage, or transport. To address this, drug manufacturers have incorporated contamination control measures into their operation. These measures form part of Good Manufacturing Practices or GMPs. Central to this effort is the Contamination Control Strategy or CSS. The CSS is designed to promote continuous improvement and remediation of contamination control measures. By implementing a robust CCS, manufacturers ensure that they consistently produce high-quality products while minimizing the risk of contamination. Many GMP practices are integral to a company's contamination control strategy. These include designing processes and facilities to prevent contamination, selecting raw materials which minimize the risk of contamination, managing and handling raw materials using aseptic techniques, and thoroughly training personnel in all aspects of contamination prevention. A holistic approach ensures all contamination control practices work together seamlessly and are assessed for their combined effectiveness. The contamination control strategy is a comprehensive framework that combines various linked elements of pharmaceutical quality systems and good manufacturing practice measures. This strategy is essential for maintaining product safety and quality throughout the manufacturing process. The foundation elements of a CCS are critical, as they inform and influence all aspects of the strategy. The foundational elements include scientific knowledge, using the latest scientific research and data to design and implement effective contamination control measures; quality risk management, identifying, assessing, and controlling risks to ensure that contamination control measures are robust and reliable; personnel awareness and quality culture, ensuring that all personnel are well trained and aware of contamination control practices, fostering a culture of quality within the organization. Individual control elements within the CCS are designed using these foundational principles. These control elements are: 1. Validated for effectiveness, where every control element undergoes rigorous validation to ensure it is effective in preventing contamination; and 2. Continuously monitoring for ongoing controls. Continuous monitoring is essential to maintain the effectiveness of control measures and to quickly identify any potential issues. Quality system feedback loops play a crucial role in refining and improving contamination control measures. These feedback loops include mechanisms to help respond to unexpected events and ensure continuous improvement. The three key components of these feedback loops are: 1. Investigation, thoroughly investigating any deviations or unexpected events to identify root cause and prevent reoccurrence; 2. Change control, implementing a structured approach to managing changes in process, equipment, or procedures to ensure they do not negatively impact contamination control; 3. Corrective and preventive actions, or CAPAs, developing and implementing action to correct identified issues and prevent future occurrences, which ensures continuous improvement of contamination control measures. By combining these elements, the CCS ensures a proactive and comprehensive approach to contamination control, ultimately safeguarding product quality and patient safety.
Thank you for watching the introduction to this
Contamination Control Fundamental Program. If you would like 25% off the remainder of the program, head over to our website at pharmalliance.ie/training-programs and use code YT25OFF at checkout. So please do it now as spaces are limited and it's expiring soon. Thank you. Thank you for your time. We'll see you on the next module.